I was surprised to learn that India, starting with textiles, is a very large exporter of home decor products. Home decor is a very large market, almost $1 trillion market. और US, जो दुनिया की केवल 4% संख्या है, पॉपुलेशन है, they consume almost 40% home decor share at a global level यार. मैंने कहा यार इंडिया का स्ट्रेंथ है.
Correct.
इंडिया एक्सपोर्ट करती है यूएस में, मार्केट इतनी बड़ी है. अब या तो कुछ साल में रिटायर हो जाओ या कुछ नया ट्राई कर लो.
You started few months and lockdown happened.
Yeah, few days.
How easy is it to be a startup founder?
You only understand how difficult it is once you do it. I cannot put words to it to express how difficult it is to start up. It's very hard. सारी फैक्ट्रियाँ बंद हो गई थी and we planned to put up our own factory, but लॉकडाउन के बीच में क्या करें आप? और सब टेलर्स वापस जा रहे थे जो रहते हैं भिवंडी में.
Correct. They were all going back to their
सब नॉर्थ के
hometowns.
हैं,
हाँ.
राइट. तो आई टोल्ड वन टेलर कि आप ना जाएं, आपकी सैलरी मैं आपको देता रहूँगा, बट हम करेंगे काम. ही वुड कट एंड स्टिच बाय द डे, एंड आई एंड निमिषा वुड डू द थ्रेड कटिंग, QC चेक, आयनिंग, पैकिंग,
Wow.
एवरीथिंग. तो हमारे पूरे घर ने केवल 4 महीने यही किया, सोए नहीं 4 महीने. को रात को मार्केटिंग भी करनी होती थी, राइट.
Correct.
उसकी
Who doesn't dream of a perfect home? One that feels warm, stylish, and mindful of the world we live in. Today on Voices for Local, we are shining the spotlight on Demoksha, a Mumbai-based home fashion brand that's redefining sustainability and social impact. Founded in 2019 by Manav and Nimisha Danda, Demoksha creates exquisite handcrafted home linens using only the most eco-friendly fabrics like linen, hemp, and Lysol. These pieces don't just nurture your space, they also nurture the earth with a deep commitment to Walker Nights and gender justice woven into every design. On my show today is Manav. So thank you, Manav, for choosing to be a part of Voices for Local. I'm very excited to know about the brand because you and I go back years.
25 years or more, that's
Yeah,
right.
25 years or more.
Yeah.
And my first question to you before I start talking about the brand is your shift from being a media person all along to now becoming a startup entrepreneur. Why did the shift and when did it happen?
You're right. So I worked for almost 30 years in the media business, almost. I began pretty early, and then it happened all of a sudden. There was no plan for doing it, but I think when great things happen, they happen suddenly. You can plan all in life, but when lightning strikes in a good manner, it does as well, yeah.
Correct.
That's what happened to us in 2017, end a little before our son's birth, then child, a son was born.
Huh.
We moved a house within Powai in Mumbai, very close to IIT Bombay, and we began doing up a house our way. And amongst various factors of our way, one of them was to make it earth friendly, to make it eco friendly. And we realized there's nothing that can serve our need with respect to it being good for the planet. I began searching in Delhi, in Bombay, across
कुछ नहीं
India.
मिला।
कुछ नहीं मिला मुझे. मतलब at the best आपको केन चेयर मिल जाएगी कुछ आपको, but वो संभव नहीं है घर पे रखना, to be honest, in your living room, right? So I just got curious. Our son was born, Moksh, on Valentine's Day, 14th Feb, and over the next 2 years, I began researching on home decor as a category without any plan at all whatsoever. Just sheer curiosity while working as sub as a company CEO. And time काफ़ी था, तो मैं कर रहा था बैठ के. So I was surprised to learn that India, starting with textiles, is a very large exporter of home decor products
Okay.
made of textiles, right? There are billion-dollar companies like Wellspun, like Trident. मैं पिछले 6 साल में कम से कम 200-250 कंपनी से मिल चुका हूँ जो एक्सपोर्ट करती हैं इंडियन गुड्स मेड ऑफ टेक्सटाइल और मोर, जिनका रेवेन्यू 50 से 2000 करोड़ के बीच में है. सब फैमिली ओन बिजनेसेस हैं, राइट? और ये रियलिटी मेरे सामने आनी शुरू हुई. और ऊपर से मालूम पड़ा कि होम डेकोर इज़ अ वेरी लार्ज मार्केट, ऑलमोस्ट $1 trillion मार्केट, राइट? और यूएस, जो दुनिया की केवल 4% संख्या है, पॉपुलेशन है, दे कंज्यूम ऑलमोस्ट 40% होम डेकोर शेयर एट अ ग्लोबल लेवल यार. मैंने कहा यार इंडिया का स्ट्रेंथ है.
Correct.
इंडिया एक्सपोर्ट करती है यूएस में, मार्केट इतनी बड़ी है. अब या तो कुछ साल में रिटायर हो जाओ या कुछ नया ट्राई कर लो. तो आई थिंक आई गॉट लिटिल स्टूपिड. आई टोल्ड माई वाइफ अबाउट द आइडिया, निमिषा अबाउट द आइडिया. वो तब पोगो और कार्टून नेटवर्क की मार्केटिंग हेड थी.
हाँ.
2 साल गए, रिसर्च किया, प्लानिंग किया, थोड़ी विस्की भी होगी शायद, पता नहीं, राइट? तो थोड़ा नशा चढ़ गया, वी क्विट आवर जॉब्स एंड वी बिगैन डी मोक्षा, अपने बेटे के ऊपर नाम दिया। और मुद्दा उसका रखा कि पृथ्वी को हानिकारक टेक्सटाइल प्रोडक्ट से मोक्ष प्राप्त कराएंगे।
नाइस।
और डी क्यों रखा? बिकॉज मेरा नाम ढांडा है, मोक्ष का ट्रेडमार्क मिल नहीं पाया, बहुत कॉमन नाम है, तो आगे मैंने डी रख दिया, उसका ट्रेडमार्क मिल गया हिंदुस्तान और यूएसए में। इट ऑल्सो मीन्स अबाउट मोक्षा इन फ्रेंच, तो एक पर्पज भी मिल गया हमको।
करेक्ट।
तो दैट्स हाउ इट स्टार्टेड।
You know, the intent is very nice. I like the way you said save the planet. Okay. And it's also good when you say that, you know, there were a lot of products available in India and they actually go to the US.
Yes.
But aapne bhi, you started outward first. You started your business actually outward and then now you're moving inward.
जी हाँ.
So what was the thought and the strategy behind that and why did you go outward and not start inward?
Yeah. It was a very passionate trigger. I think comes from being a very passionate Indian. My father was in the Indian Air Force. थोड़ा खून में ज़्यादा nationality भरी हुई है हिंदुस्तान की. I was surprised and slightly angry to learn that India is such a large exporter of home decor, but Indians have not built their own brand outside India. Right? If you look at China, when they learned to make cars, mobile phones, they also launched their own brands. Did not sustain only and only on vendor manufacturing. Right? They also built, आज इतने सारे फ़ोन हम यूज़ करते हैं, सब चाइनीज़ ब्रांड है, लर्निंग आई किसी और के लिए काम करके। तो मेरे जहन में कोई भी ऐसा ब्रांड नहीं आया इंडियन कंपनी का जो बाहर फेमस हुआ है, राइट? जो आज उस ब्रांड के कारण हिंदुस्तान में जॉब्स है, प्रॉस्पेरिटी है।
You're empowering the people.
एज अ वेंडर है, बट नॉट एज अ ब्रांड। एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन यू सेल समथिंग for $10 as a vendor, it sells in America to a customer between $35 and $70. So actual value brand के space में है.
Correct.
तो that's what we said that we want to build a global Indian brand and हम India launch नहीं करेंगे जब तक हम वहाँ पे settle नहीं होते. और pure मुद्दा यही था to create a global Indian brand. उस वक्त Honorable Prime Minister's Modi ji's campaign of Make in India was there. So we said let's make a Indian brand, not just make in India. That's why we stayed very focused cross border. आज हम USA, Canada, Australia, UK काफ़ी देश में हैं and over 500,000 customers. Coke का private jet not B2B but B2C buy करता है हमसे डीमोक्षा की products. Louis Vuitton हमसे buy करता है at B2C pricing, not B2B pricing. काफ़ी और कहानियाँ हैं and now we're ready for launching India as well.
Tell me one of the most interesting stories that you've had that, you know, became a thought-provoking one to say, you know, if this can happen, it only aims me to dream bigger. Like you said about LV buying from you.
Yes.
Coke, these are huge brands.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
But any such story that made you pause to think that you're on the right track and can only think bigger and you should think bigger?
So when we launched DMoksha, we were very clear that we have to build a brand and not a commodity. क्योंकि कपड़े का माल एक शर्ट हो वो ब्रांड भी हो सकती है और एक तौलिया कैन ऑल्सो बी अ ब्रांड, राइट? एंड कैन बी कमोडिटी ऑल्सो। और ब्रांड तो खैर 10-15 साल में बनता है, उसकी उम्मीद जीवित रहती है, तो उस पर उसकी तरफ काम करते हैं. सो while there's a Coke which has been with us for 3.5 years, the private jet and many more, we tied a purpose to DMoksha very, very clearly. Nimisha Patna ki hai. She grew up over there. She was lucky that her parents gave her the wings of education.
Yeah.
And she could come out and, you know, find herself, right? But she has seen her cousins, her friends who were not prepared for the world, but were prepared for marriage. Ki zyada kya padna? Right? Shaadi kar lo, right? So we tied a purpose back to ourselves from day one. और हमने कहा हम एक ऐसा एक सोशल प्रोग्राम टाई करें जिसके प्रति हम गर्ल चिल्ड्रन को एजुकेट करें, बट ऐसा हो कि जो दुनिया ने आज तक किया नहीं है और बेटर ना कर पाए, बट मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली बिजनेस में टाई इन हो जाए और उसमें हमारा कस्टमर भी बन जाए उसके अंदर. तो अपने फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट से व्हाट वी डू इज वी हैव अ DMoksha cares number which goes with every product.
Okay.
We contribute a part of our sales towards the cause of girl child education, right?
Lovely.
Then if the customers want, they can come on to our website and share that number with us.
Okay.
Once they do that, they get to know exactly which girl child has been sponsored by their purchase contribution. Not just that, over the course of next 12 months, they get 3 more updates on how she is progressing. And there are customers who come back now, purchase again, because they want to continue sponsoring her
support
education.
her and sponsor her.
That's right, yeah.
So wow, so you have actually created a brand out of India
Yes.
and taken an Indian brand global, but yet it's a brand with a deeper purpose.
That's right.
And not just a purpose of supporting a girl child, but also creating sustainable products.
That's right.
Right?
That's
Tell me a little bit about all the products that come under your brand and
Yeah.
what are the most popular ones?
I was shocked to learn how harmful textiles is as an industry to the planet. We talk about plastic bags and all that, but that's a very, very small contribution. Now, when I say I'm aware it's harmful, I'm also aware that you can't give up textiles.
Correct.
It's a reality. You can give up plastic bags, but you can't give up textiles, right? It creates employment, there's a full value chain to it. But awareness is there now that it's very, very harmful. Udharan ke liye, I'll make it more similar to easy to understand. To make one cotton t-shirt, plain t-shirt, not printed, not dyed, to make one white cotton t-shirt, on an average, the planet wastes about 2,700 liters of water. एक कॉटन टी-शर्ट के लिए
My
अब
God.
बेडशीट का तो नाम ही ना लें, पर्दे का नाम ही ना लें,
और हम एक नहीं बनाते,
एक ही
हम
बनाते
अनेक
बनाते हैं, राइट? फास्ट फैशन और भी हो गया है,
Correct.
इवन घर में मूविंग गुड्स और भी हो गए हैं.
Correct.
Now consumers will not go away. We'll all do well. I hope the whole planet prospers. We will spend more and more and more because that creates employment and financial upliftment also. But fabric, as we primarily use cotton and polyester, poly तो plastic है, poly है. It's very, very harmful and most of it ends up in landfills across the globe here, right? कहते हैं कि oil के बाद most harmful industry actually is textiles, right?
Okay.
But we don't talk about it. And I'm talking about as of 2018 and 19, yeah. Without naming the brands, उस वक्त large fashion brands बोल रहे थे कि हम 2018 में हैं और 2030 में अपने goals पूरे करेंगे. जो ब्रांड 12 साल बाद का टारगेट कर रहा है, उसका टारगेट है नहीं टू बी ऑनेस्ट, तो उस वक्त मौकरी बन रही थी उस चीज़ की. पोस्ट पैंडेमिक कुछ फर्क तो पड़ा है, राइट? सो I spend a lot of time understanding what is textile and what's good for the planet.
Right.
We reached on factors like linen, hemp, lyocell, recycled fabric, right, which is made of discarded plastic bottles, right? And we began focusing on those, and we only sell those. आज तक मैंने एक भी प्रोडक्ट यूएसए में कॉटन का नहीं बेचा है, डिस्पाइट बीइंग अ कॉटन नेशन.
Correct.
Right? So we said, let's be true to our brand, to our purpose, and we have very, very strong pillars on which we rest our sustainable objectives. We're a zero plastic, we're almost zero waste. हमारी फैक्ट्री में तो जो एक लेबल नहीं आता जो टैग करते हैं, वो प्लास्टिक से पंच करते
प्लास्टिक
हैं.
से पंच करते हैं.
हमारी फैक्ट्री में तो लेडीज काम करती हैं जो कपड़े के वेस्ट से
धागे.
धागा पिरोती हैं बाहर और वो धागा लेके उससे बांधती हैं.
Wow.
और एक कस्टमर हमारा नोटिस करते हैं इस चीज़ को.
Correct.
And that's a big value add.
That's
for
a
us,
big
yeah.
value add.
That's right. Yeah.
But what are the most popular products under your brand?
So when we started Demoksha, we told ourselves कि let's not fool ourselves.
हाँ.
हमें कपड़ा ना तो कपड़ा आता है, ना सिलाई आती है, ना एक्सपोर्ट्स आता है, ना ई-कॉमर्स आता है, ना हमें समझ है उस विदेशी कस्टमर की.
हाँ.
But how will we get a feedback that we're doing the right job, right? In early days.
Correct.
So our objective was कि ऐसा प्रोडक्ट हो कि कस्टमर बहुत बार बाय करे, क्योंकि आप पर्दे रोज़ बाय नहीं करते, बेडशीट रोज़ बाय नहीं करते, राइट? एंड इट मस्ट बी फॉर एन एरिया दैट यू यूज टू डिलाइट योर सेल्फ एंड योर गेस्ट द मोस्ट.
Correct.
सो वी लॉक्ड आवर फोकस ऑन द लिविंग रूम, राइट? क्योंकि बेडशीट में आई कैन कॉम्प्रोमाइज माई बेडशीट, बट लिविंग रूम में आई वांट द बेस्ट थिंग्स.
You want the best things, yes.
फिर रिसर्च करके मालूम पड़ा दैट इन द US, इन मोस्ट वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, कॉलिंग गेस्ट होम इज अ वेरी बिग डील.
Correct.
राइट? बिकॉज बर्तन खुद करने पड़ते
खुद
हैं,
करते हाँ, सफाई खुद करनी पड़ती है. Correct.
खाना खुद बनाओ, राइट? सो कॉलिंग गेस्ट होम इज अ वेरी वेरी बिग डील, एंड व्हेन दे कम होम देयर इज ऑलवेज अ सिट डाउन डिनर, राइट? For which they use lovely table linens here.
Table linens, table mats, table
That's
napkins,
right.
cocktail
Runners,
napkins,
that's right.
dinner napkins.
That's right. So and then in a year there are 3 to 4 definite occasions when guests come home, और normally वही 2-3 ग्रुप घर आते हैं.
Correct.
So we said अगर वहाँ लॉन्च करेंगे हमें रिपीट का एक सेंस मिलेगा कस्टमर से. Thanksgiving, Christmas, summer lunch, autumn lunch, you know, people come home for these
Correct.
occasions. So we launched with table linen, and we really have become very, very big in table linen.
Table linen.
Very, very big in that market. We've now gone, we're still in living room only. We've gone to cushions, curtains, but for a long time, for 3.5 years, we sold only table linen here, per se.
But now you're coming back to India, you're
Yes.
launching India.
Yes.
And I've seen a lot of Instagram reels promoting curtains, home visits.
That's right.
Which is fabulous because you're actually telling the viewers you're telling the audience we'll come to your home with all the curtains, samples. You don't have
right.
to see just kapda kahin dekha,
Right.
length, everything.
Right.
So what is the strategy behind India launch?
So I'll take 2 steps back, right? जब हमने Demoksha launch किया, हमने सबसे बड़ी परख रखी towards quality,
Right.
right? मालूम पड़ा कि इंडस्ट्री में क्वालिटी मीन सैम्पल साइज 100 में 2-3 चेक कर लेंगे
हाँ.
और उससे काम हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
जब हमने पहला बैच बनवाया तो लिनन का कपड़ा था कोई 5-6 लाख रुपए का, राइट? वो एक फैक्ट्री में थी भिवंडी में. जब जॉब कर रहे थे 2 वीकेंड बैठ के हमने सैंपल बनवाए.
हाँ.
3-4 टेलर से कि इनको सैंपल समझ गए, अभी हमारा काम हो गया है, हम 5 दिन के बाद आएंगे, आप लोग सिल लेना हमारा कपड़ा.
हाँ.
जब 5 दिन के बाद वहाँ पहुँचे तो पूरा माल रद्दी हो गया था और उन्होंने कहा कि सर लेकिन ठीक तो है. मैंने कहा बट सैंपल देखो आप और प्रोडक्शन देखो आप, राइट? विच इज कॉल्ड प्रोडक्शन.
Correct.
तो उन्होंने हमें कहा सर सैंपल क्वालिटी एक, प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी एक, विच मीन्स अलग. तो मुझे बात समझ नहीं आई टू बी ऑनेस्ट कि व्हाट डज इट मीन, हाउ कैन प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी नॉट मैच सैंपल
Sample
क्वालिटी.
quality, correct.
आई लर्न अबाउट अ इनहेरेंट फ्लॉ इन द बिजनेस. होता क्या है, टेलर लोगों को पर पीस पे करते हैं
Okay.
एंड दे हैव टू वर्क वेरी वेरी हार्ड.
Hard.
And to be fair, they, in many pockets of a country, don't make enough wages. So they're in a rush to stitch more and more.
To
and
earn more per
and
day,
Can't
right?
blame them at all.
Correct.
All
You
right?
can't blame them and the quality suffers ultimately.
Model is flawed.
Correct.
All right? Because they are incentivized to pay more and not focus on quality.
On the basis of output.
Output only.
Correct.
Right? So we had to junk the entire lot, and we said we'll launch our own factory. So पैंडेमिक के कुछ टाइम पहले हमने खुद की फैक्ट्री लॉन्च कर दी. सॉरी, पैंडेमिक हम लॉन्च करने वाले थे और पैंडेमिक आ गया,
Wow.
बट वो अलग कहानी है. बट जब हमने लॉन्च की तो वी रेज द लेवल ऑफ क्वालिटी पर से, ऑल राइट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द कोक एंड लुई विटॉन केम टू अस. ऑन द बैक ऑफ दैट वी रियलाइज दैट आवर सप्लाई चेन हैज बिकम द बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ. जो एक कोई भी अगर रिटेल बिजनेस करता है तो वो
The
समझता है कि
supply
सप्लाई
chain
चेन
is crucial.
सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है.
Correct. It's the
right?
most crucial in the business.
सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, राइट?
हाँ.
तो उसके ज़रिए देन मुझे 6 साल में बहुत लोगों ने कहा, 5 साल में कि आप इंडिया लॉन्च करें. इन्वेस्टर्स ने कहा, फ्रेंड्स ने कहा, वेलविशर्स ने कहा. हमें कोई मुद्दा नहीं मिला इंडिया लॉन्च करने का. हम वहाँ बेचते हैं टेबल इन, वहाँ उसकी वैल्यू नहीं, यहाँ पे उसकी वैल्यू नहीं है ज़्यादा,
Correct.
ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करते हम लोग. तो क्यों लॉन्च करें इंडिया? यूएसए में एक्सपैंड करते करते हम पर्दे पे आ गए. तो मैंने पर्दे की मार्केट स्टडी की यूएस में भी, इंडिया में भी, और मालूम पड़ा कि इंडियन कर्टन मार्केट इज कम्प्लीटली ब्रोकन. ऑलराइट, टुडे व्हेन यू बाय अ फोन यू कैन डू अ ट्रायल.
Correct.
When you buy a car you can do a test drive. When you buy clothes you can try it on, right? The only product you buy without a trial is
Are curtains.
curtain.
Because you just go see the fabric
That's right.
and then you have to imagine how the larger piece of cloth will look in your living room.
That's right, right? All you get is a fabric of 12 by 12 inch
Correct.
and you have to look at it and visualize कि मेरे घर पे कैसा लगेगा ये.
Right.
राइट कोई दुकानदार काइंड है तो बोलेगा मेरी किताब घर ले जाओ, बट इतनी किताब, इतने से कपड़े से आप क्या
can't
विजुलाइज कर
imagine.
लेंगे, राइट? पर्दा बाय करते हैं 5 साल में एक बार, 10 साल में एक बार, तो उसमें इंस्टिंक्ट भी नहीं है.
Correct.
राइट कि क्या साड़ी सूट तो यू कैन सी सूट का कपड़ा कि आप बहुत पहनते हैं,
नहीं,
यू
और
गेट अ
आप
सेंस.
ऑर्डर देने के बाद चेंज भी नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि कितने पैसे भी गए हैं.
और ये भी सच बात है कि आपके वाइट गुड्स, एसी, फ्रिज, उन सब के बाद नेक्स्ट हाईएस्ट कॉस्ट है फर्नीचर, और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हाईएस्ट कॉस्ट है आपका पर्दा.
Upholstery and पर्दा.
पर्दा,
Correct.
अपहोल्स्ट्री पर्दा.
Correct.
और आपको मिलता है 12 बाय 12 इंच का कपड़ा कि आप चुन लें और 1000 कैटलॉग को पलटते रहें. नीडल ना हे सैक जर्नी है.
Right.
The industry is completely broken. It has had no innovation for 50 years or more, right? And we found an opportunity in this gap. What we do is, as Demoksha, we're a phygital model similar to say a Lenskart, where our customers are sourced through online, and when they reach out to us, our designers, expert curtain designers, work with you very closely, first through our AI model, on what might look good on your window. You
Right.
must only take a picture on WhatsApp and send it to us, and our AI model cleans it up and uses different kinds of fabrics of ours to showcase on what look on your window. once you like a direction, they come to your house and display proper full length curtains on your window with no obligation to buy at all.
Nice.
All right, we'll come once, we'll come twice, we'll come thrice, we'll come till you are happy. Because if you're spending 60 grand for a small house, 1.5, 2 BHK house, or lakh and a half to 2.5 lakhs or more
For a bigger
for a larger
place,
house,
yeah.
you have a right to a trial.
Yes.
Right?
Even the biggest of designers today in fashion let you try their outfits
Absolutely,
before buying,
right?
So when you go, you walk into a store and you want to buy an expensive sari or a lehenga or even a gents sherwani,
That's right.
trial is
You have
allowed.
a right to a trial, right? Even makeup when you buy, there are samples to try it on,
Yes,
right?
yes.
But for curtains, even a sofa you can sit on and try it on, but you can't try on curtains. But you have a right to a trial, right? And say no also. A lot of shops send catalogs home, but they want a lock-in deposit before you even finalize what you want here. We said this is broken, and we, backed by our stitching quality, we have a factory in Powai only, right? Knew that we can solve the problem, because not just about showing you the curtain at home, it's also about delivering high quality at your home. वो तो हम कर रहे हैं 6 साल से,
Correct.
right? And that's what we're doing now. So we're redefining the entire journey of how a curtain is purchased, and this too was not rushed into. I realized this opportunity about 1.5 साल पहले. Then I spent 1 year studying the market. I realized कि मुझे Indian customer from a retail perspective नहीं समझता है. So I went to an acquaintance who had just moved to my building, who's former Unilever, IM Lucknow. He was heading Nykaa retail in India, and I said, "Can you help me understand my customer here?" With no obligation, as a friend only here, right?
Right.
Somewhere in the journey, we said he'll come on as a co-founder. So he left Nykaa. He joined us as co-founder on June 3rd this year, and now we've just done soft launch in India. And yes, we've already had some 50-60 customers हैं जो very very happy here, and each customer is now referring more to us because you can
You
for
know,
the first
one thing
time.
I've realized in my conversation with you, your deep focus on research.
Right.
You lay a lot of emphasis, be it research of products, be it
Yes.
research of customers,
Yes.
and you spend a fair bit of amount of time to
Yes.
study the market
Yes.
before actually launching a product. And I think that is also one of the reasons why the brand is successful today.
Possibly,
right?
yes.
Because most people don't land up doing the ground research. The customer, any customer around the world is very different within a few hundred miles, I feel.
Absolutely.
You know, and the mentality, the upbringing, the social strata, so many things, the community you're living in.
Yes.
Like even within the US, you'll find different customers. Even in
Absolutely.
India, you'll find the same.
Absolutely.
Right? The other thing I want to know is that are we going to see stores in the future where we can walk in and not just pick curtains, but we can pick multiple home decor stuff?
Yes, our first store will go live in Mumbai between Jan and Feb coming year.
Okay.
It will be a store unlike anything that the world has seen before. Normally in stores you find catalogs and catalogs. As Demoksha, we only sell Demoksha branded fabrics.
Right.
We have right now about 5,500 such fabrics. It will be an experience center, a lot of tech into it, basically trying to ease the pain point again.
So when you mean tech into it,
Yes.
what kind of tech? Because
Yeah.
see, I also feel most people who come into the store, so experience is great,
Yes,
but I don't consider myself very personally tech savvy.
सही बात है.
ठीक है, एंड आई
सही
फील
बात है।
मोस्ट जो ऑडियंसेस आती हैं, जो कस्टमर्स आते हैं,
सही
वो
बात
सब
है।
टेक savvy नहीं होते।
बिल्कुल ठीक
कि
कह रहे हैं
आप उनके हाथ में एक आईपैड देके बोलो ये रहा आईपैड, अब आप खुद डिसाइड
बिल्कुल।
करो, यू नो, यू फील लिटिल
बिल्कुल।
लॉस्ट,
बिल्कुल.
एंड बिकॉज वो इट्स सच अ थिंग ना, यू हेजिटेट टू आस्क आल्सो
Yes,
कि मुझे नहीं आता, आप बता दो,
yes.
राइट?
बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं आप.
तो हाउ डू यू मैनेज एंड व्हाट इज दीस टेक थिंग्स एंड हाउ इजी और टफ इज इट?
2-3 बातें. एक तो हमारे स्टोर में कैटलॉग्स तो होंगी, बट केवल पर्दे और पर्दे होंगे ताकि आप देखें पूरा.
हाँ,
बट अगर आपको पर्दा पसंद है तो वी बिल्डिंग अ टेक रूम जहाँ पे आप बैठ के हम आपका घर अपने स्क्रीन्स पे रिक्रिएट करेंगे, राइट?
सो योर पीपल विल डू इट।
हाँ, आपको बस बैठना है सोफे पे.
ओके, ग्रेट।
राइट. हम रिक्रिएट करेंगे आपका कमरा, और उसमें क्या पर्दा कैसा नज़र आएगा, ना केवल कैसा हाउ द कर्टन विल लुक, हाउ इट लुक इन द मॉर्निंग, इन द इवनिंग, विद द सन बिहाइंड द कर्टन.
wow.
We'll recreate the real experience for you before you make a purchase, and not just that, we'll still send the curtains home before you even pay in advance to us, right? So it'll be a marriage of retail and at home that will take the journey forward. Yeah.
And in between is the tech part for you to imagine.
Tech
and
is only an
visualize the whole
enabler
thing.
in the end.
Right.
Right, to help you decide more with ease.
Right.
Important point, हमने लॉन्च के पहले बहुत शहरों में फोकस ग्रुप्स किए थे.
हाँ.
एंड हाउसवाइफ्स का पेन ऑथेंटिक है इस टुवर्ड्स दिस प्रॉब्लम, राइट? वेरी ऑफन हस्बैंड्स आर बिजी
Correct.
and they give the wife a budget of 1 lakh rupees and go buy curtains for us. And you know, they might participate, but they're not actively participating as the wife would. And sometimes, you know, when the call is on her shoulder, she's stressed out that it's a large purchase. I have to buy for the living room, for dining room, for kids' bedroom, sometimes in-laws' bedroom. What if it goes wrong?
No, it's a big stress point.
Right?
It's
a very big stress point.
it is.
Yeah. What if it
because
goes wrong?
see, it's subjective.
Very subjective, right?
अभी अगर मैं 1 लाख रुपए खर्च कर दूं and the husband comes and says
पसंद नहीं आया.
पसंद नहीं है, यही तुमने खर्चा किया है.
एक और स्ट्रेस भी है. अब जाना है तो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स मस्ट गो, किड्स मस्ट गो, साथ में चुनना है, राइट?
That whole family
बहुत
going.
मुश्किल है.
बहुत मुश्किल.
बहुत मुश्किल है, राइट? वी टॉक टू डिजाइनर्स.
सी अपने इंडिविजुअल रूम्स तो कर सकते हो.
हाँ.
लिविंग रूम पे बहस हो जाएगी. सारी बहस लिविंग रूम पे
होती भी है, काफी होती है.
I'm sure होती है.
But because they were decided, it's a long-term purchase.
Yeah.
You know, so it's so all the tech we are using, tech can often be abused also as a term. tech कर रहे हैं, AI कर रहे हैं. हमारा मुद्दा बहुत clear है. If it helps the customer decide a little bit more easily, then उसका मुद्दा है, नहीं तो मुद्दा नहीं. And genuinely so, बस ये. That's what tech is for us, that way. So that's what is happening, but a very interesting journey.
But tell me something, see, it's husband, wife doing a business together. Both of you quit at the same time. Now, you know, when you're doing a startup, usually क्या होता है, the man or the woman of the house decides कि मैं startup कर रहा हूँ.
जी.
And the other one says, okay, I'll back you by supporting you financially.
जी.
Okay, it's very normal, logical thing because
जी.
one is taking the risk and the other one is providing the stability.
That's right.
Here, both of you decided one fine day that we are going to give up our running jobs and jump into it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that husband-wife equation working together will come second because it's not easy to
Yeah.
bifurcate personal and professional equations sometimes.
Yeah.
And disagreements are bound to happen at
Yeah.
home or at work.
Yeah.
But that question I'll come later. First, I want to know this whole thing about taking that risk. Where did this inspiration come from and how easy was it?
I guess I'm a risk taker, right? Obviously, it's measured risk. It's not a blind risk, but this was a very, very big risk. A lot of people say they quit their jobs because they were unhappy with their jobs. They didn't like 9 to 5. We both loved our jobs. I've loved wherever I worked. There was no push that made us move out to be entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
Right? It was purely a pull. You know, when you give something your newborn child's name, right? I think it's the biggest commitment you put in here.
Yes.
Right? Because we wanted the customers to hold it and love it, yeah, with my son's name on it.
Correct. And that
It could
credibility
have,
for the
yeah,
brand, right?
it could have no half measures, yeah.
Yeah.
So the moment we put our son's name on it, right, it wasn't the first idea we got, to be honest, right? You don't think of putting a child's name on it, right? It grew into us, this thing. But when our son's name came onto it, I think it was far bigger a commitment than even quitting our jobs, to be honest. And it had to work. There was just no second option at hand here.
So I often ask startups, it's a tough journey,
Very
right?
tough
Because
journey.
there's risk,
Very
there's
tough journey.
uncertainty,
Very tough journey.
and you're pretty much on your own.
Yeah.
You don't have a corporate setup to work in.
Yeah.
You have to pay salaries at the end of the month, and it's your own individual struggle,
Yeah.
right? There's no senior bosses sitting as guiding lights,
Yes.
right? It's a very lonely journey as well.
Yes.
Were there times when you felt ये हमने गलत डिसीजन लिया, or were there times when you felt कि we have to keep going and the times are tough? Like you just told me कि you started few months and lockdown happened.
Yeah, few days, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's a very uncertain time, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it was a sense of fear running down, and it was not short-lived. COVID hit and changed many things,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
How easy is it to be a startup founder?
It's very difficult. I had always heard these words in videos of
motivational videos and the self-help videos.
Self-help videos, or many founders from Elon Musk to anybody else saying how difficult it is, right? But you only understand how difficult it is once you do it. I cannot put words to it to express how difficult it is to start up. It's very hard.
It's very hard.
I mean, at least in my vocabulary, which is pretty decent, there is no word that can express how hard it really is. The closest analogy that one can find is, they say you're giving birth to a child. It literally speaking is that, yeah. That's the closest one, yeah. That when you give birth to a child, and a child takes, from being unable to feed itself initially, right, to unable to move around, right?
You're emotionally vested. You're holding the hand. You're doing actually everything for
exactly
the
that, yeah.
brand, right?
It is exactly that.
बच्चा बीमार भी पड़ता है, brand का low phase भी होता है. I'm sure there were many times when the product, like you said, you imagined something, sample कुछ और था.
नहीं, बहुत hiccups आए, बहुत challenges आए.
Customers, products were not delivered. See, these are normal things that go up and down in a
हमारा
business.
तो हमने जैन में पहला बैच बनाया, रिजेक्ट हो गया, फिर दोबारा खुद खड़े हुए बनाया, फेब में एक्सपोर्ट किया, यूएस के बॉर्डर में अड़ गया, पहली बार कर रहे थे, कंसल्टेंट ने भी क्या एडवाइस किया क्या नहीं किया, एक ही बात है, पूरा अड़ गया, उसको क्लियर किया 3 हफ्ते बाद. मुझे पूरी फेडेक्स और यूएस इंपोर्ट्स की डॉक्यूमेंट्स ही पढ़ने पड़े, समझने की हुआ क्या एग्जैक्टली, राइट. वो क्लियर हुए, पहली बार सेल हुआ ऑनलाइन हमारा, 5 दिन में नेशनल लॉकडाउन आ गया. सो 5 days after our first sale, national lockdown happened, right? And our goods got very good feedback. And Emoksha got fantastic feedback, and we could see that हमको माल भेजना पड़ेगा. बट सारी फैक्ट्रियाँ बंद हो गई थी, एंड वी प्लान टू पुट अप अ ओन फैक्ट्री, बट लॉकडाउन के बीच में क्या करें आप. और सब टेलर्स वापस जा रहे थे जो रहते हैं भिवंडी में, सब नॉर्थ के हैं, राइट. तो आई टोल्ड वन टेलर कि आप ना जाएं, आपकी सैलरी मैं आपको देता रहूँगा, बट हम करेंगे काम. तो किस्मत से घर के पास एक स्लम रूम, एक रूम मिल गया, कोई 10 by 12 का रूम था, उसकी हाइट बिल्कुल मेरी हाइट के बराबर थी. मेरे पास मीडिया कार्ड था उस वक्त, तो उसको मैं भिवंडी गया, पिकअप करके लेके आ गया यहाँ पे. एंड ही यूज्ड टू स्टिच बाय द डे, रेस्ट एट नाइट, एंड आई एंड निमिषा ही वुड कट एंड स्टिच बाय द डे, एंड आई एंड निमिषा वुड डू द थ्रेड कटिंग, QC चेक, आयनिंग, पैकिंग, एवरीथिंग. हमने 3 महीने ये किया उसी रूम के अंदर. We could not even hire more people because during pandemic you don't need more people, right? Don't want more people rather. And he was staying in the house. दिन में 3-4 बारी मेरे घर से कोई 2 मिनट दूर था. I would carry food for him in my car, drop it to him and come back in the morning for breakfast. Then we would go to the factory, and he would do his part, we would do the rest of it. हमने 4 महीने ये काम किया. कार्टन उठा के घर लेके आया करते थे. हमारा पूरा लिविंग रूम भी कार्टन. फिर रात को कभी वहाँ प्रेस नहीं कर पाते तो घर लेके आके रात को प्रेस करते थे. मैं, मेरी मदर, निमिषा सब प्रेस करते थे बैठ के. मेरी मदर वो बैठ के हैंग टैग बनाती थी, धागा निकाल के वो, राइट. तो हमारे पूरे घर ने केवल 4 महीने यही किया, सोए नहीं 4 महीने. कोई रात को मार्केटिंग भी करनी होती थी, राइट, उसकी. तो मतलब दिन रात सुबह शाम क्या पूछे नहीं आप. उस वक्त एक डाउट आया था कि क्या हम पैंडेमिक कितना लंबा चलेगा.
अनसर्टेनिटी वाज देयर.
उसका जवाब नहीं था. लेकिन शुरू में जो कस्टमर का फीडबैक आया, उन्होंने वो स्मॉल नुएंसेस को अप्रिशिएट किया, वो धागे को, वो गर्ल चाइल्ड की स्पॉन्सरशिप को.
एंड दैट केप्ट यू गोइंग.
दैट केप्ट अस गोइंग.
एंड सी, इन एडवर्सिटी यू फाउंड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी.
या,
right, times were tough, but you didn't give up at that time, and I think that going counted as some blessings somewhere.
You know, we feel so blessed. हमने फिर पवाई फैक्ट्री में खोली फाइनली अगस्त सितंबर के बाद में 2020 में, और वहाँ नेबरहुड में बहुत स्लम्स हैं, और वहाँ फैक्ट्री और कोई भी नहीं है, राइट. अनफॉर्चुनेटली लेडीज हु लिव आउट देयर, most of them can work at homes as homemaids or house helps, or whatever, and a lot of families don't like that, they don't allow their bahus to work like that, right, or daughters to work like that. So we went out looking for employment. We taught them how to stitch, we taught them how to do QC, how to pack. We pack in a very specific manner, right. तो कितनी लेडीज ने कहा कि शादी हमारी 15 साल पहले हुई थी, हम काम नहीं कर पाते. हमको पहली बार 15 साल में यहाँ काम मिला है, क्योंकि पवाई के बीच में सिर्फ ऑफिस ही हैं.
करेक्ट.
कोई फैक्ट्रीज है ही नहीं. तो कितने लेडीज़ ने वहाँ पे जो काम करती है हमारे यहाँ पे, like they've got empowered, that they could contribute to the household income. It is these moments which truly surpasses anything else.
Any other time,
Absolutely.
any other kick in life.
Absolutely, I think that is the single largest motivation to keep going. पैसा तो by God's grace हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत बना लेंगे, सेव भी काफ़ी कर लिया है, right? ट्राई करके जॉब मिल जाएगी. But I think it is these moments which
Keep you going.
are irreplaceable, and make it so worth it,
Yeah, these moments are actually blessings.
Yeah.
These are blessings that keep you going in this thing.
And you feel so blessed that you can give back, right? I came to in early 90s with nothing to Bombay, right? I had nothing then. God was very kind. I met people who helped me grow in my career. I realized finally people help people in some form or the other.
Yes.
Right? And I did whatever I could in a job, and I'm still trying my best over here, So I just feel blessed that I can give back, right?
Give back.
Simple as
But tell me something, the equation of husband wife, two people working together, ये झगड़ा घर से शुरू होता है, ऑफिस में आता है, या ऑफिस का झगड़ा घर में जाता है. How do you disconnect? How do you keep that going? Because it's not easy to work with your partner.
It's not easy at all. We were only 2 co-founders till June. Now we are 3, तो थोड़ा relief है अभी.
हाँ, तीसरे को डाल दो बीच में.
थोड़ा breathing space मिल जाता है. But it's very hard.
हाँ.
There are fights and, they can't do this because of you. And, all that happens, which like happens to every couple. And I'm a workaholic. And there were days when, Nimisha, if you ever talk to her, she'll tell you that suddenly she'll be sleeping at 3 in the morning. And I'd be working and I would suddenly wake her up. Ye kaam hua kya? And then she'll let me sleep. Like, no, but it's got to be done. And from 3 to 4:30, we would just be having an argument on work suddenly.
Right.
In the night with the baby sleeping next to us, right? And it was not easy for her because even Moksh was very, very young. He was 2 years when we started off, right? He wanted attention as well.
Yes. What's the secret sauce that you guys have now found? The balance.
I think the balance is...
Keep talking.
No, I think the single largest balance that we could maintain is that even if we had conflicts, at work we remained professional, right? If you and I work in an office as colleagues, that's secondary if we have a conflict. Work takes precedence, right?
Right.
In all cases, right?
Correct.
And in a corporate setup, there are always arguments and discord happening, but work never stops, right? That's the one discipline from work-wise we maintained here. That no matter what's happening in our personal space,
correct,
right? Even in workspace, right? It will not impact
the outcome
that we have to create here. I think that's one discipline we really maintained. It helps. She's a far calmer person than I am, so also helps. Did work spill back into our personal life? Yes, it did. Because reverse is not always true, right?
Is not true.
Yeah, but I think it's been 6 long years. We found a very good balance.
And like you said, अब तीसरा आ गया founders तो
तीसरा
थोड़ा breathing space हो गई है.
हमने पहली बार 6 साल में छुट्टी ली 12 दिन की लंबी. Normally छुट्टी had become 2-3 days, 4 days maximum.
Right.
वो भी साल में 1-2. अभी 1 महीने पहले हमने पहली बार we went to Albania, spent 12 days together because third co-founder है.
Correct.
तो मैं तो उसके 5 छूता हूँ रोज़. Thank you. तो आ गया.
But I'm looking forward to the store in January, and I'm sure so will all my viewers. But on that note, Manav, thank you so much for choosing to be a part of Voices for Local, and what you're creating is a brand with a purpose, and that's what makes it so special. So thank you.
Thank you so much, and for having us here as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very valuable.